I actually have confessed something to you right up front. For the last 3 days, I mean, literally 3 days in a row, I have made the exact same formatting error in my spreadsheet software.
Oh no, 3 days.
Yeah. Every single morning, I click the wrong column, the dates turn into absolute gibberish, and I have to spend, 5 minutes manually undoing it. It's just that universal frustration of repeating a totally preventable mistake.
It's maddening, really, because, I mean, you know better, but the muscle memory just takes over.
Exactly. And it really got me thinking about how we fail to learn from our mistakes sometimes, which actually brings us to our mission for this deep dive. We are exploring a fascinating new research paper on a framework called SkillClaw.
Yes, such a great concept.
It's this really uplifting system that allows AI agents to collectively learn from their errors. So, no user ever has to start from scratch again.
Right, it's basically aimed at solving this kind of amnesia that currently limits AI systems.
Okay, let's unpack this because I feel like a lot of people listening might push back here. Don't AI agents already know, like, practically everything?
Well, I mean, the base models, the massive neural networks underlying the AI,
Mm.
they are extremely capable.
Hmm.
But when you deploy an AI agent to do a specific task, like executing a multi-step workflow on your computer, it relies on deployed skills.
Right, the
So-
specific instructions.
Exactly. And those deployed skills are mostly static. So if an agent hits a bug, it might, trial and error its way to a fix for you in that specific session.
Okay.
But the very next user who asks for that same task, they face the exact same error all over again.
Wow, so it's like a massive company where 1 million employees are working super hard, but they absolutely refuse to share their notes with each other. Everyone is just constantly reinventing the wheel.
That's exactly what's happening.
Yeah.
So to fix this, SkillClaw introduces this brilliant day and night cycle.
Okay, I love the sound of that. How does it work?
Well, during the day, as different people use their AI agents, the system aggregates what they call agent trajectories.
Meaning what exactly?
Basically, it logs every click, every failure, and every successful workaround across the whole network.
And then at night?
At night, a centralized system called the Agentic Evolver takes over. It reviews all those daily logs, identifies the patterns, and actually edits the shared skill repository.
Whoa, wait, hold on. You're saying the AI is essentially rewriting its own underlying instruction manual while we sleep.
Yep, that's exactly what it's doing.
I have to be honest, leaving an AI totally unsupervised to change its own code sounds a little reckless. How does it not just break everything?
It's a valid concern. But the key is that it doesn't just guess or blindly push updates. The Evolver looks at those logs to see exactly how the daytime agents organically solved a problem.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so it drafts a code update based on those proven workarounds. Then, crucially, before anyone wakes up, it rigorously tests that new code against a validation suite.
So it proves the new method works first.
Exactly. It only updates the shared library if the new code actually passes the tests.
Okay, let's ground this a bit for everyone listening. What does this actually look like in practice?
Well, the paper includes a great example analyzing Slack integrations. Agents kept failing to summarize messages because of a bad API port configuration.
Right.
Think of an API port like a delivery driver repeatedly trying to drop off a package at the wrong door of an apartment building.
The digital equivalent of my spreadsheet formatting error.
Precisely. The agents kept hitting the wrong door, eventually figuring out the right one through trial and error. But the nightly Evolver saw this pattern, updated the delivery manual for all future drivers, and by the next morning, that error was completely eliminated for every user.
That is just incredible. And, uncovering where AI agents can make the most impact for your business is exactly what EmberSilk does.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, if you need help with AI training, automation, integration, or software development, you really should check out embersilk.com for your AI needs. They are fantastic at streamlining these exact kinds of workflows.
And, these updates get incredibly sophisticated. They also tested a coding AI model called SAM3.
Okay, what happened now?
Initially, if a file the AI needed to do its job was missing, the agent would just crash entirely.
Oh, totally unhelpful.
Right. But the Evolve skill didn't just patch a typo. It actually taught the SAM3 model to intelligently search the workspace for nearby assets.
Wait, really? So it learned a better problem-solving strategy entirely?
Exactly. It's so uplifting when you think about human-machine collaboration going forward. I mean, you're no longer fighting static tools.
Right, you wake up and your software has actually adapted to the weird edge cases you ran into the day before.
Yes. We are building this incredibly optimistic future where our technology acts as a collaborative, constantly improving partner. It's ready to actively elevate human potential.
A future where our tools are always growing with us. It really is inspiring, and it leaves you with something to ponder. If our AI assistants are perfectly crowdsourcing their mistakes and evolving while we sleep, what hidden inefficiencies in our own daily human routines might they soon be able to point out to us?
Oh, that's a great thought.
Right. Well, if you enjoyed this deep dive, please subscribe to the show. Hey, leave us a 5-star review if you can. It really does help get the word out. Thanks for tuning in.